Hello, dear student of class 7th. How are you all? Stay safe, stay at home. Now, in this session, I will be discussing more about Excel. I feel in today's video, you don't have to write anything anywhere, but it is an informative video so that it can add up whatever the knowledge you have inculcate till now about the Excel. It will add up in that, right? But so I feel very interesting informations are there in today's video, and I feel I should share with you. But before that, you like, share and subscribe the channel, and please don't forget to comment me with your name, class and section about the completion of work. Still so many students have commented, but many more are remaining to comment. Please students, let me know ki whether your work is complete or not, chapter 1 and chapter 2. Fine, let me discuss this is the informative, no need to write anywhere, just for information. And in upcoming video I will be asking question from this, so you have to listen very carefully. History of MS Excel. We should be aware from where the Excel come, right? So Microsoft originally marketed a spreadsheet program called Multiplan in 1982. First version I can say Excel is not Excel, but a similar version to Excel is Multiplan in 1982. And with the advent of MS-DOS, Lotus 123 came into existence. Lotus 123 is also like Excel only. This promoted development of new spreadsheet called Excel. In Excel, the features of Lotus 123 is there, plus add-on features are there. The first window version of Excel was released in 1987, and from that day new features has been added on, and the new versions came up. The latest version of Excel is version 16, and it was released on 24 July 2018. When was the latest version released? 24 July 2018. You have to keep this in mind, right? Now, advantages of electronic spreadsheet, that is Excel. What are the advantages? Why we need to learn this Excel? Why? Many companies, software companies are using this type of Excel spreadsheets to maintain their data, their records. So let's see. Some I have listed the advantages. Let's see. The calculated results are accurate and reliable. Suppose you are using a spreadsheet program to calculate the result. Suppose there are 50 students and I have to calculate their result. Manually, being a human errors can be there. But if I calculated using a computer, the chance of error become minimized, or rather I can say it's zero only, right? All kind of complicated calculations can be performed very easily. In fraction of seconds you can perform all the calculations from the Excel, right? The worksheet can be quite big in size, and any part of it can be viewed and edited. Of course, since you are working on a system, you can view any part anytime, and you can edit also. It provides graphics facility. Now this point, it provides graphic facilities, we will be discussing in chapter 3 and chapter 4 of Excel. You can draw pie charts, different graphs using Excel. It's very interesting, The entire worksheet or any part can be printed in a desired format. You can take the printout hard copy. What is printout? The hard copy of the format in the Excel. Now the worksheet can be saved in an electronic file and can be modified later. Suppose today there are 50 students in our class, and I have alphabetically arranged the students, and the data has been maintained, right? And in some another day a student came, new admission was there, and I have to add that student in between of two students. So electronically it is possible by insert, and there are so many features are there. We can add any student. Suppose any student address is changed, we can modify in that Excel sheet, but manually it become a cumbersome process, right? An existing worksheet or any part of it can be merged with a new worksheet. You can merge the new worksheet. And electronic spreadsheet program has several mathematical functions. I need not tell you about this. You are all aware what kind of mathematical functions are being performed by Excel. Finance statistical functions which are built in, means predefined function. I told you, library functions, predefined functions, built-in functions that are already there in the system and are very user friendly. You can easily use it, means they are not complicated one. Okay, fine. Now I hope you understand. Thank you.